She has the hiccups. And that's Evelyn.
Take her out so you can see her face. Got big girl diapers on now.
She's waving. There's Evelyn. 2 pounds today, 2 weeks old.
Can you open up your eyes? Can you open up your eyes so we can see? No. Oh, peek. No.
Big yawn.
She's okay. Oh, don't pull that out. The nurses will get mad, huh? Oh, let's see your eyes. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's see. Look at all that stuff on you, huh? You're like a baby now, aren't you? It's your eyes. Look at the little feet.
Oh, there she is.
Little feet. I'm gonna cry.